Hey, welcome to the Fagan-Carnation Realtors Real Estate Market Update for Westampton Township for the month of July 2018. And let's get right into it. So what everyone normally wants to know is what are homes selling for in Westampton, and I'll tell you. The median price in July has increased 21% in Westampton. It's gone from $218,000 to $265,000. It's a 21% increase. Whew. Now, Westampton is a small area, so the sample size is much smaller, and so we'll see bigger changes than normal. In a lot of larger places, we would see more stability there. So it's pretty normal to see those kind of jumps, especially because Westampton has low to moderate priced homes and also very expensive homes, so that median can get pulled in one direction or another from just a few transactions. And as far as transactions go, it's pretty stable. We had 15 transactions in July 2017, and now we're looking at 16 for this year. So it's very stable sales. I know nationally we're seeing that the number of units has gone down for sales, so the amount of homes under contract and that actually were completed has gone down about 2%. So if you take that, we're doing a little bit better here in Westampton. All right, next up, let's look at the supply and demand. So this is very interesting data. We see that homes for sale has gone down a third, so 33.8%. That was 71 units all the way down to 47. That's pretty significant. But if you look at the homes that are under contract, that's gone down 53% year over year. So 15 homes in July were under contract last year, and we're down to only 7. So that's a decrease of 53%. Now, interesting, basically that's saying that there's less buyers putting homes under contract. So I expect to see an increase in the month supply of inventory, which we're about to look at. And there it is, the month supply of inventory, because there's less buyers in July, has gone up quite a bit. So we're looking at a 55% increase year over year from last July. The month supply of inventory was crazily low at 3.4% in 2017. It has increased to 5.3. But again, with small towns, we could see a big variation. So I'm not going to read too much into that. But if I was going to, I would say that we're coming out of an extreme low inventory to a little bit more reasonable inventory. But it's also concerning that there's not as many buyers. But that could just be because there's not enough homes for sale. So we want to keep our eye on that, especially if you live in Westampton. Now, if you're looking to buy, your selection is getting a little bit better and there's less competition for you. And now, if you look at days on market, this is an encouraging factor for home sellers. We're looking at a decrease on days on market of 47%. July of last year was at 56 days, and now we're down to 29 days. Again, that's a sign that inventory is very low still, and when buyers find the home that they're looking for or the agents are listing it at the right price, it's selling within under 30 days. So I think what that means is that the good inventory is going very quickly, and some of the older stuff is sitting, or less desirable real estate is probably sitting a little bit, and those buyers just aren't biting on those. But this is a strong sign for a seller again. So if you live in Westampton and you're thinking about selling your home, now may be the time. And so that's the hard statistics. Now let's have a little fun and look at what the most expensive listing sold for in July. The highest price listing that sold in July in Westampton is 448 West Country Club Drive, Westampton. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3,100 square feet. This is in Deerwood Country Club, so that's where a lot of the higher priced homes are. It only had 20 days on market, so that agent did a really good job of getting that under contract. Let's look at some of these photos. Yep, the house looks pretty nice. You know, Deerwood is definitely a very desirable neighborhood in Westampton, and I'm not surprised. These photos could be better, though. I always get a professional photographer, but That's just my little pet peeve there. All right, so that's it for the Westampton real estate market update for July 2018. Hopefully this information was helpful. Maybe you're looking to move to Westampton, or you're a homeowner in Westampton thinking of selling. Hopefully this has helped. If you have questions or want to know what your home's worth and you live in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, contact me. I can help you out with that. My information is in the description box. And that's all I got for you guys. Till next time, bye-bye.